Hey everyone, let's do an unboxing today. I know I've been slacking, but let's get to it. Another 2-pack to the collection. Old Man Logan with Old Man Hawkeye. One of my favorites. Read the comic years ago and it's great. Let's take a look at Hawkeye first. This character looks great. Articulation not that bad either. I just love it when they rip out a character out of the comic book pages. I love it. And finally, Old Man Logan. Man, I really love the way he looks. Only thing is, articulation is limited with his coat, but he's not too shabby. I love it. This 2-pack doesn't come with much accessories, but you do get a head sculpt for Hawkeye, Old Man Logan, and of course, his baby. I'm very happy I finally unboxed him. These guys are incredible. Well, thanks for watching. Later.